Write 10 uses of soil. Uses of soil are: soil is our support system. Soil is used for various religious purposes. Plants absorb vital nutrients from the soil for growth and development. Ceramic articles are made by using clay soil. Some beauty products like foundation are made with soil. Wastewater treatment plants often have a soil treatment. Plants that grow in the soil can be used for medicines, clothing, building materials, etc. Soil provides anchorage for roots and holds water and nutrients. Nutrients are recycled in the soil. Soil is a natural medium for filtering and purifying water. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.